Good morning, shooters. This is Gary out at the range doing what I love to do the most, shoot. Today we'll be shooting and testing and giving you an honest report on the Ruger LC9. The LC9 is a great carry weapon. It'll hold 7 rounds of 9mm ammunition plus 1 in the tube. This one has a Crimson Trace laser on it. It has great sights on this weapon, as you can see. It's a weapon that will shoot and go bang every time you pull the trigger. You can put your life on the line on this. This weapon will protect you. You can see it's very rounded edges, very nice weapon. All your action levers are on the left side. Sorry, left-handers. It's just the way it is. This video is not doctored in any way. Exactly what this weapon does, what you see is what it'll do. You make up your mind whether you want a Ruger LC9 or not. Ruger LC9. No fail to feed, no fail to eject. It's a great weapon. You make up your own mind. It's very light and easy to carry in an inside waistband holster. So this is Gary out at the range. Remember this, shoot straight, shoot first.